We're at B&A Motor Body Repairs and we're here to see our HSV VY project.
Each car is a different story that's been out and used on the road. Has had a different owner, different set of people in and out of them. Understanding what the vehicle's life has been is the first sort of step.
Yeah, there were some surprises inside the car as we tore it down and some surprises underneath the paintwork that we needed to rectify as we went. How do I describe that? We found some native Australian wildlife living inside the car.
Paint, which is what we're all here for, when it rolls out of a boot is an amazing feeling. To see a car that came in like the VY Clubsport project and to roll out a finished painted car that's going to be loved and cherished by an owner for the rest of its eternity is one of the best feelings. So it's something awe-inspiring to see that car come out once it's been painted.
Next stage, after we get the bodywork back from Dominic, it'll be into the assembly phase, back at HSV, installing the major components and then the minor ones on top of that.